Riley from Hodson Motors. I'm here with Retro Manufacturing and we're installing a wicked cool radio in my 1993 Dodge First Gen Crew Cab. We're doing a Newport radio, which is the din and a half. Fits awesome in that Dodge gauge bezel and fits perfectly and looks OEM, but you still get Bluetooth and all the good stuff with it. So we're going to install that today, so check it out. Retro Sound Radios has the best Bluetooth of any radio I have ever used. I'm talking any radio ever. It connects, like as soon as you turn the key on in this thing, boom, your phone will connect, and I guarantee you I can walk out right now and walk out to the street. I bet you I'm still connected to it. The Bluetooth range is insane.